Hey guys, Sam here, and in this video, we're going to learn how to create a UI table view programmatically using Swift. So what I have here is a UI table view, and in each cell, I have a name of various Apple products, such as MacBook, iPhone, Apple Watch, and more. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing we want to do is create a new Xcode project. Under iOS, select Single View Application, press Next. I'm going to call mine Table View, but you can call yours however you like. Press Next. You want to save it. Alright, so we have here this main.storyboard file, but we're not going to be using that. Instead, come here to viewcontroller.swift. Let me expand this for you guys. Alright. So we can delete everything from the first curly brace to the last curly brace. So all this code we can delete. Next, we're going to want to include a few libraries. So in a class declaration, after UI controller, type comma UI Tableview data source and UI Tableview delegate. Alright, so our table view is going to have the names of various Apple products. So we're going to make an array. It's called let products equals, and I'm going to put a couple of names here. So I'm going to put MacBook, iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. Alright. Next, we're going to need a UI table view object. So type let table view equals UI table view. Open and close parentheses. Next, we're going to need two functions that will allow us to populate our table view. For the first one, type table view and number of rows in section. Alright. This function tells the table view how much rows we're going to have. In this case, we want one row for each products that we have right here. So to do this, type return products.count, which returns the number of products that we have, in this case 4. Alright, so for the next function, type table view cell for row at index path right here. And this function is what we use to put data in our rows. So the first step is to create a cell. So type let cell equals table view dot reusable cell with identifier. So the identifier is a string. I'm going to call my cell. Next, after 4, type index path. Alright. Next, type cell dot text label dot text equals products, open close square bracket, index path dot row, and lastly put return cell. Alright, so almost done here. Next, we actually need to create the UI table view. So after your table view object here, skip 2 lines and type in the view.load method. And here, type table view dot frame equals cgrect, and have the one with the doubles. Put 0, 0, self.view.frame.width for the width, and for the height, self.view.frame.height. This will allow our UI table view to take the entire width and height of the iPhone. Next, type table view dot register cell class. I'm going to put UI table view cell dot self, and under for cell reuse identifier, we're going to put cell, which is the same identifier we have here in our cell for row at method. Alright, so after that line, skip another line and type table view dot delegate equals self, and table view dot data source equals self. And last, we're going to output it to the screen. So type self dot view dot add subview and the table view. Alright, so if we build and run this, we should see a table view with a list of Apple products. Alright, so we got a UI table view with a list of every Apple product that we have. If we go back to the code, under our products, we can even add more. So after Apple Watch, let's say I add iMac. press build and run again, and we should see the new iMac row in the table view. And there we go, our table view is updated and we see the new iMac. Okay, great, so now we learn how to make a UI table view programmatically. And all this code will be available on my GitHub, which we link down below. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a like, it will really help me out. If you'd like to see more iOS and computer programming tutorials, make sure to subscribe and press the notification button so you won't miss a video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if you have any tutorial suggestions. See you guys in the next video.